Are you having trouble claiming benefits from the Workplace Safety and Insurance Board, WSIB, for an injury or illness caused at the workplace? Who should you ask for help? We at WSIBsettlements.com will help you to claim what you rightfully deserve. We are a team of experienced professionals with extensive knowledge of the laws and policies that govern the Workplace Safety and Insurance Board of Ontario, WSIB. We've been developing and implementing practical tools and proven strategies to empower the thousands of workers in Ontario who suffer a workplace injury or disease to obtain fair compensation from the WSIB. Our WSIB settlement kits, the keystone of the arsenal available to our customers, address some of the most common issues in a particular claim over the past 30+ years. You can have your kit ready for download, print, email, and upload directly to the WSIB in under 5 minutes. New kits are added to our roster based on customer needs. Our tools and strategies are accessible to all, regardless of their education, knowledge of the law, age, ethnicity, or finances. Create your free account, choose your plan, and enjoy the benefits.